Hi students, welcome back to Chakravarthy E Classroom. We are going to discuss one more question from Time and Work chapter today. See students, actually we have already discussed this type of questions previously also. In the last session also I have discussed one question from the same model. But after watching that one, some students have sent us the mail mentioning that sir, the method you have discussed was really fantastic. We can understand the complete concept. Actually, my intention is that one only, because some beginners may also be there. That's the reason why I adopted that method. But again, they mentioned further in the mail that, sir, is there any method with the help of which we can do the question, the same question, without writing anything on the paper? Simply by seeing the question within 30 seconds, are we not able to solve this type of questions? Of course, yes. You can do that one. In our regular sessions, I have discussed the method which you have asked me without writing anything on the paper. But to understand that method, you should have a little knowledge of a time and work chapter. The basics must be known to you. Only then you are able to do, particularly taking the efficiency ratio. For that reason only, I adopted the previous method. Previous method was a fantastic one, a comprehensive method, but you can do very easily within the stipulated time. What was the method we have adopted? Just quickly I'll tell you. When they have given 1/4 of the work in 20 days, that means total work will be done in 20 into 4, 80 days. We took total work, we imagined total work as a multiple of 80. I think 80 into 2, 160 we have taken, and further we went that one. That is one of the best methods. But in this session what we are going to do, since some students have asked what method I had used in my regular course, I am going to give you that one. But try to understand how to take the efficiency ratio. Okay, right. Now let's start the question quickly. How they have given A, B and C can do 1/4 of the work in 20 days. After working with B and C for 40 days, A left the work. B and C continued to do the work and took 60 days to complete the remaining work. Find in how many days A will complete whole work working alone is the question. Whatever the shortcut may be, whatever the method may be, first of all you need to understand the given question properly. I told you in the previous sessions also, just bifurcate the problem like this: information part and the question part. First go for the question part. Then anyway you have already analyzed the information part while reading the question only. Then you have to decide whether am I able to answer this question with the given data. If you are not able to answer the question directly, your answer could be, or option is, what is that? Data inadequate or cannot be determined. If you are able to solve the question with the given information, of course you have to go further. To decide here, you should have complete idea of that particular chapter. Okay, now clearly what exactly they are asking, in how many days A alone can complete the work. To answer this question, what data I need? To know how many days A alone complete the work, first of all I should know what is the total amount of work. One of the ways. Okay, total amount of the work divided by A's efficiency will give me number of days that would be taking for A to complete the whole work. Now you got the idea, right? First of all I should know total work divided by A's efficiency. In the previous method, we imagined the total work as a number which is convenient for us. So even in this method also, finding out total work is not a big issue. But finding out A's efficiency per day work of A is very important. How to find that one? Simple, students, right? If you understand the question properly while reading only, if you know this shortcut, you need not write anything on the paper. How is that one? Now you see, clearly they have given 1/4 work in how many days? 20 days. That means total work can be done by A, B as well as C together in 1/4 20 days means total work in 80 days. Okay, A, B and C can do the work in 80 days. This much I know. This is the first point. Then they have given that after working with B and C for 40 days, A left the work and the remaining work had been completed by B and C in 60 days. Simple one. With the help of this data, I can compare the efficiency of ABC with that of BC. Two clusters are there. Two divisions are there, right? ABC's efficiency is to BC's efficiency can be done very easily. How to get the efficiency? You need to know the amount of work. Only then you can go for the efficiency. How? Here clearly they have given that A, B and C had worked for 40 days. Means some work has been completed. Okay, out of 80-day work, they have completed 40-day work. Who had completed that one? A, B and C together completed 40-day work. Isn't it? 40 days they have worked means 40-day work is completed. Now, how much work is remaining? Out of 80-day work, 40-day work gone means remaining work is 40-day work for A, B and C. That means if A is not dropped, if A, B, C, all the three continue to do the work, in how many more days it would be completed? 40 more days only, because 40 days are over. Now the remaining work is 40-day work of A, B and C. Now here I am talking about the work. 40-day work of A, B and C. What is this one? Remaining work. The same remaining work completed by B and C in 60 days. That means 40-day work of A, B and C must be equal to 60-day work of B and C. Very, very important thing. Isn't it? Simply we can say that one, because A, B and C had worked for 40 days. Total amount of work can be done by all the three in 80 days. Out of 80 days, 40-day work has been completed by A, B and C. Remaining work is 40-day work of A, B and C. That remaining work completed by B and C in 60 days. That is the reason why I have equalized both the works. Now clearly 40-day work of A, B, C is equal to 60-day work of B and C. Now I can get the efficiency of A plus B plus C is to B plus C. Isn't it? Now what's the efficiency comparison here? A plus B plus C's efficiency is to are divided by B plus C's efficiency is equal to 60 by 40. Or this is 2 2s, 2 3s, that is 3 by 2. What do you mean by this 3 by 2? That means A plus B plus C's 1 day's work is, for example, 3 units. B plus C's 1 day's work is 2 units. Now you got the idea? Their efficiency is in the ratio 3:2. Now you tell me, what is the total work? Why am I going for total work? This should come to your mind. To complete in how many days A alone can do the work? Total work divided by A's efficiency. Isn't it? Now I am going for total work. Total work means A plus B plus C's efficiency is 3 units per day. And A, B, C together can complete the work in 80 days. That means total work here is total work. This is 80 into 3. That is 240. Simple. Clear for all of you, right? Next, what is A's efficiency? A plus B plus C's efficiency is 3. B plus C's efficiency is 2. That means A's efficiency is 1 unit per day. So very clearly total work divided by A's efficiency, that is 1 unit per day. Now in how many days A alone complete the work means my answer is 240 days. Is it clear for you students how simply you can do that question? Can't you do this question without writing anything on the paper? Of course yes. While reading only quickly you have to do in this way. Now forget about all these things, right? Just quickly see that one. A, B and C 1/4 in 20 days. Total work in 80 days. Okay. Now clearly they have given the information here which can be convertible to shortcut. After working with B and C for 40 days, A, B and C work for 40 days. Remaining work is 40-day work of A, B, C because 80 minus 40. Thus 40-day work of A plus B plus C must be equal to 60-day work of B plus C. Now I got the efficiency. With that efficiency I got A's efficiency 3 minus 2. A's efficiency is 1. And of course total work is that is 80 into A plus B plus C's efficiency 240 units. My answer is 240. Next time onwards students, if you come across this type of questions or this logic is given as part of one advanced question, don't write anything on the paper. Simply you can do in this way. Generally, I teach this type of methods in our regular course. So even for YouTube also, I give this type of methods, but what I assume is that there may be some beginners also. For that reason, I give a little comprehensive methods, and in YouTube also, after discussing comprehensive method like this, I'll go for the shortcut again. Thank you very much, students. We'll meet in the next session, but I request all of you to subscribe our channel and push the bell icon also, so that you get the notifications regularly, because we have only 72,400 plus subscribers are there. I want to make it as 1 lakh students. That is possible only with your participation. You learn something from our channels, right? And finally, if anybody wants to join our regular courses, you please download our app Chakravarthy Classroom from Play Store or visit our website chakravarthysir.com. Thank you very much.